So you can actually see the food cooking inside it with the light. So I'm gonna come back after the 25 minutes time is up. Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Candy indoor grill slash air fryer. So on this video is gonna be an unboxing, a product overview. I'll show you how it works, all the great features it has, and then at the end I'll give my overall feedback. So let's get into it. Okay, so once you take off all the protective tape and foam, you open it up, and then you have more stuff in here. It brings a cleaning brush. You have a regular size pan right here. You have this bigger pan, so you do like so. You can put this like this. You can even put this like here if you want to grill something, just like that. So you have different ways to use these, all the different functions. So you can use this as the grilling, and then you use this one as the air fryer fig. On the side right here is where the thermometer is. So you open like this, it's hidden right here. Take out the plug, unravel it, you slide it out, and this plugs in to the little port right there. And then it's very convenient if you want to check the internal temperature of your meats using this. On the top of the air fryer, it even gives you instructions how to place the thermometer, and even the recommended cooking temperatures and time for the specific meats that you're trying to cook. Okay, so when you first plug it in and you turn it on, you press this button here. So it already has the grill settings, right? So you have your low temperature. If you press temp, you can change the knob right here. So even when you turn this knob, you're changing the temperature to how you want it. So max temperature is 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Low temperature is 400 on the grill settings. If you want to change the time, you press the time button, and then you can change your time. So you have your air crisp setting right here. You're able to change the temperature if you press the temp, and then you turn the knob. It goes up to 430. If you want to change the time, you press time, and you can change the time. It goes all the way up to 50 minutes. And then if you turn the knob again, it switches it to roast, and you can change the temperature and the times. You press time. You could go all the way up to about 2 hours on a roast. You could do bake. You can do dehydrate, reheat, and keep warm. So after I cleaned all the pans, I'm gonna heat up some frozen tater tots. So I already cleaned this pan. I have my fry basket pan right here. I'm gonna put it like so, and then put my frozen foods in here. So I'm gonna heat up some tater tots. And so it holds a decent amount of items inside the fry basket. I'm gonna place some frozen nuggets in here also. So this fry basket holds a decent amount of objects in here. So this is great. Turn the on button. I'm gonna turn it to bake because I like to bake it. You can either bake it or you can use the air fry feature. I like to bake. So bake, I'm gonna leave it at 350, and I'm gonna change the time to about 25 minutes. And then you're gonna press the start button. So you can actually see the food cooking inside it with the light. So I'm gonna come back after the 25 minutes time is up. So once the timer is finishing, it's letting you know that you have a few seconds to take out the food and open it up. So let's take it out. You can see how nice and crispy that the tater tots look. So this is great for reheating frozen foods, for cooking meats, or any type of food that you want to cook with the air fryer or even with the grill. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great indoor grill slash air fryer. I like how convenient the size is. I like how easy it is to set it up. Cleaning this is very easy after you finish cooking. I like how deep that the pans are, and this holds a lot of food. So this is a great air fryer for anybody that likes to use the air fryer or even use the indoor grill inside the house or apartment. I also like how this has different preset settings on here. So you can use the indoor grill and then either use the air crisp, the roast, the broil. And I also like how you're able to customize the different temperatures to times that you want to use it for. So this is a great product to have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.